Good morning, everybody. It is April 14th, and it's about 9, and I am a terrible vlogger, and I have been very busy, and I got a cat. So I've been spending as much time as I can with little gangster, and today I'm gonna go down to the tulip fields before weather changes here and try and get some drone footage. So it's a little windy, but I'm gonna head down to Mount Vernon and see if I can get any shots. Just have some fun for a little bit and then come out and hang out with him later. So hope you guys have a great morning. I will touch base with you soon. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, April 14th. It's about 10 a.m. now, and I'm out here on Lummi Shores, a little ways out, and I was just doing some drone footage. It's very windy out today, and so it was kind of a risk coming, and it's just not the greatest weather, but I was just kind of really wanting to come out for some reason and put the thing up in the air. I got to test the new quiet stealth air blades. Those are cool. They're very quiet. I really like those. It's just very windy today, so not the best conditions for the small drone, but it's fun to come out and just kind of cruise. It's a beautiful, quiet day here, so it's just very windy, so it's kind of chilly too. So I'm gonna probably head back here in a little bit, hang out with the cat, and then maybe go down to Boulevard and do some work. It's just kind of one of those days. I don't know, not too motivated, but yesterday I did a lot of math calculations. I finished a ton of sheets, and I went really deep on the layers and calculations, so that was amazing. And so anyways, I've been very busy the last 2 weeks doing that, haven't been videoing at all, and then I just got my cat, the little gangster man, and so he's been fun to hang out with and just kind of cuddle with and love on and just kind of relax a little bit. And so him and I kind of took it easy this week, didn't vlog very much at all, and I'm thinking Monday, tomorrow, I'll start doing it a little bit more. But yeah, it's just my energy has been kind of down so far. April's been kind of slow in some ways. The business has been great. Got a lot of great accounts, got some good web projects and marketing, so now it's just I'm trying to get this math stuff figured out, so then this development company can create the banking options for us, so then we can get rolling. So just trying to get that figured out, and then we're good to go. But yeah, yesterday went really deep on some math and just kind of hung out for a few hours, 4 hours in a coffee shop, and cranked through a bunch of stuff, so it was really good. So anyways, yeah, we're out in Lummi. I'm gonna head home here and go hang out with the cat, maybe do some lunch, or just head to the coffee shop and cruise and do that for a while. So I will chat with you guys soon. Have a great morning on Sunday, April 15th, and I will chat with you guys soon. Cheers!